Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Picked up one of these hand skate test lead kits for my my multimeter. This one, as you can tell, I use it so much the wires actually broke off the test lead, so that became kind of useless. But these are, those little inexpensive multimeters. But I wanted to expand like my kit. I have some better multimeters that I use as well, but I wanted to get like another test lead kit, and I want to show you everything that comes in this. I mean, there's a lot. So you get like those needle probes, then you get the little alligator clips. One of the main reasons why I got this kit is because it's got the little hook leads that sometimes you don't want to use your pin leads. You just want to basically put on a wire and let it go. So that was the main reason. And they're pretty much a universal fit, so they fit nice and snug, and basically about any multimeter that's out there, which is cool. Then that's a black common lead. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, and this was another good sell point. You got kind of like these tweezer leads, so you can kind of get into like little tighter spots, and then you can figure out exactly what size you need. And again, pretty much a universal fit on any multimeter. So it's a nice good fit. And then let me see. Then these are your regular probe leads. They come kind of standard with any multimeter, and it's got nice little covers on it, so you can keep them safe and clean. And again, it's got little safety. It's got a little safety cap on the bottom, and again, pretty much a universal fit for any meter. And then there you go. So I'm back in business with my multimeter. Anyway, that was pretty much everything that was in there. Then we give you some, I guess, little like instructions or samples of what you can do with this thing. But it's pretty awesome. Happy I got it. Now I can throw my old test leads out because they're pretty much garbage anyway. But anyhow, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and that's your test lead kit. And oh, thanks for subscribing. Be safe out there.